What exactly happens to my house, or what's going to happen when you guys lift my house? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is one that we get asked quite a bit as well, is what exactly happens to my house, or what's going to happen when you guys lift my house?
Yeah, like Brian said, we get that question all the time. Typically what happens is that when we come to the determination where we're going to do the foundation repairs, the decision is to either stabilize the house so you don't get any additional vertical settlement, or if you're going to lift the house and try to get maximum recovery. So what happens is a lot of people really don't understand how the process works, but it's pretty simple. What we do is each pier that's installed, hydraulically we'll have a line hooked up to each jack stand, and then those will be hooked up to a manifold, and then we're going to lift the house in one motion. So part of that process is to try to eliminate continued cracking and such, but you may get that. The other thing that will happen is, depending upon the amount of lift, you're going to get some noises. The house is going to talk to you. It's kind of like when you crack your knuckles. You're basically bending it in an opposite direction, but you're hearing noises, but you're not breaking your knuckles. So, with that all said and done, that's the gist of it.
Yeah, and like what Phil was saying is, every lift on a house is differently. We try to minimize the amount of damage that's going to happen to your home and the amount of creaking and different things like that. You just got to kind of think, the age of your home, the minute it was built, it was probably starting to settle or sink and move and things like that already. So depending on the age of your home, we could be trying to erase 40 years in the matter of 10, 15 minutes doing a lift. So you are going to have some pieces of wood that may have been warped or whatever over the course of the years or the life of the house that you're now all of a sudden putting back into the original set positions that they were when the house was actually built. So you may get some creaking during the lifting process, and you may still get some creaking after as that wood kind of readjusts itself as well. So great job, Phil. And if you're looking to lift a house, give Phil a call and he'd be able to help you out. Thank you again for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
and we answer.